Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're looking at one of the most versatile pieces of workout equipment. We're looking at kettlebells, and these ones are absolutely fantastic. They come in anywhere from 4 kilograms to 32 kilograms. It's a complete set, and this is enough fitness equipment to have your own home gym. They're absolutely fantastic. So let's go ahead and check it out right about now. One of the best things about kettlebells is you can burn calories quickly, and you can build muscle. A good kettlebell workout can burn you 20 calories per minute. In a 10-minute workout, that's 200 calories. And think about that. That is a lot of calories per hour. They're great for fitness, range of motion, and just overall keeping yourself fit. So go ahead and pick these up on Amazon. They're an impressive product. I personally recommend Synergee Kettlebells, and note the color coding. Each kettlebell is a slightly different color. That way you can identify the weight just by easily looking at the color. They're absolutely phenomenal. Order yours today with Amazon Prime. That's free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios.